Happy good morning, my dear UKG children. Today, in our English class, we are going to learn combination of letters N, O, P, Q. Okay, Nana? Look at the board. Which letter is this? Capital N. Which letter is this? Capital N. And this is small n. Capital N, small n. And this one, capital O, small o. Capital O, small o. Okay. Now look at this one. Which letter is this? P. Capital P. Capital P, small p. Now next, which letter is this? Q. Capital Q, small q. Okay. In previous class, we have completed A to M letters. Now today, N, O, P, Q. Okay, Nana. Now take out your workbook. Take out your workbook. Page number. Look at the book, Nana. Page number 44. Okay. Now look at here. Which letter is this? Capital N, small n. Read loudly and keep the fingers. Capital N, small n. And which picture is this? Nest. This one, net. Nest, net, nose, 9. Okay. Now keep the fingers here. N for nest. Repeat after me, children. N for nest. N for net. N for nose. N for 9. Okay, Nana. Now next, circle all the capital N's. What you have to do? You have to circle the capital letter N here in this line. Observe the letters. And which letter is the capital N? Which one is the capital N? C, E, U. This is capital N. So you have to circle N letter. Again, V, H, capital N. So you have to circle capital N. A, G, N, capital N. So you have to circle capital N. Like this, you have to find out the capital letter N and circle it. Okay. Circle all the small n's. What you have to do? Small letter N you have to circle. Now this is the small letter N. So you have to circle this. Next, which letter is this? U, P, H, small n. So you have to circle. Z, S, small n. So you have to circle. R, E. Okay. Here we are finished circling the letter small n. Next, what is there? Write the capital letter N. Here capital N is there. You have to write in this 4 rule capital N like this. And here write the small letter N. Small letter N. Like the same. In these lines, you have to write small n neatly and correctly. Okay, children? Now, turn the page. Page number 45. Page number 45. Now, look at here. Which letter is this? Capital O. Small o. Capital O. Small o. O for orange. This picture is orange. Orange. Owl, ox, octopus. Now keep the fingers here and repeat after me. O for orange. O for owl. O for ox. O for octopus. Okay. Now here which letter you have to circle? Do you know? Yes. Capital O. First you have to circle capital O. Where is it? Find out and circle like this capital O. Now next circle the small letter O. Okay, children? Now find out here where is the small O and circle like this. Small O you have to circle. Write the capital letter O. In these lines you have to write capital O. Capital O. Capital O. Like this you have to finish. And write the small letter O. Here you have to write small O in these lines neatly. Okay. Next, turn the page. Page number 46. Page number 46, children. Now look at here. Which picture is this? Which letter is this? P. Capital P. Small p. Now which picture is this? Parrot. P for parrot. Now read parrot, peas, pigeon, pen. Keep the fingers here and repeat after me. P for parrot, P for peas, P for pigeon, P for pen. Okay. Next what you have to do? You have to circle the capital P. What you have to do? You have to circle capital P. Where is it? Find out and circle capital P. And next you have to circle small p. Small p, where is it? Look at the letters. Observe carefully and circle the small p. Where is it? You have to find out and circle. Then write the capital P in these lines neatly and properly, and here small p you have to write. Okay. Next, page number 47. Turn page number 47. And which letter is this? Capital Q. And this is small q. And Q for when. Q for when. When, will, quarter, quilt. Now look at here. Q for queen. Keep the fingers and read. Q for queen. Q for quill. Q for quarter. Q for quilt. Okay. Now next what you have to do? Circle the capital letter Q. Where is it? Find out and circle capital Q. Only capital Q. And here you have to find out small q. Small q, where is it? Find out and circle like this. Small q. After that you have to write capital Q in the lines properly. Next, write the small letter Q. Here you have to write small q neatly in the lines. Okay children, today what we have learned? Combination of letters N, O, P, Q and the words also. Okay, I will meet in the next class. Bye children.